Today, I'm going to show you how to export data from QuickBooks Online to Excel. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. Go to the top right corner and click the gear icon. From the Settings menu, select Export Data. If QuickBooks asks why you are exporting your data, choose the appropriate reason and click Continue. This opens the Export area. Go to the Reports tab. Next, choose the date range for the data you want to export. Select the period that matches the reports you need. Now choose which reports you want to include. Depending on the available options, you may see reports such as the General Ledger, Profit and Loss, Balance Sheet, Trial Balance, or Journal. Turn on the reports you want to export and turn off any you do not need. You can also check the Lists tab and choose any lists you want to include in the export. Once you have selected the data you need, review your choices. Then click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will prepare the selected reports and lists and export the files in a zip folder. Once the download is complete, open the folder and review the Excel files. Check the date range and totals to make sure the exported information matches what you expected from QuickBooks. You can now use Excel to sort, filter, format, or analyze the exported data. And that's how to export data from QuickBooks Online to 2026.